Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Trade Talk podcast. Today, the GIFT Nifty is trading 70 points higher despite substantial gains on Wednesday. And it is mainly due to positive global macros and equity markets. US markets closed at the highest point of the day on Wednesday. It rallied nearly 6,000 points in just 2 months, which was completely unexpected. The dollar index fell to 101 levels and the 10-year bond yield fell to 3.80 from the levels of 3.90. So while looking at the equity markets and global macros as well as domestic macros, we are of the view that again we are going to see upward activity in the near term. However, we are trading above the crucial levels, and that too without any meaningful correction or time-based correction in the market. So we need to be careful while adding long positions or at higher levels or trade with tight stop losses. Also, we should look for reducing long positions or leverage long positions whenever there is spike in the market. Based on the technical formation of the market, it was not at all expected that the market can cross the level of 21,600 so easily on Wednesday, but due to support from large cap companies like HDFC Bank and Reliance Industries, we saw the market was crossing the level of 21,600 and it closed above the same. Now the next level to watch out for would be 21,750 and 21,950. So we may even see the levels of 21,900 or 950 in the near term. In case if there is any correction, then now 21,600 going to act as immediate support, and below that it could be 21,500. It should not break the level of 21,500 in the near term. Otherwise, we can see some weakness in the market and consolidation or maybe time-based correction. So now 21,500 is the ultimate support, but in between 21,600 is also going to act as support for the market. But on the higher side, 21,750 and 950 is the area of resistance, and we need to be careful while adding long positions at higher levels. Buy those companies or stocks which are very close to their important supports and reversing from their lows. Bank Nifty, which was underperforming, managed to cross its immediate previous highest level of 48,200, which is positive. Based on the technical formation, now the next level to watch out for would be 48,750 or 850 levels. We saw activity in private banks as well as in PSU banks, and both the specific PSU as well as private banks are showing lot of strength. So we need to be more and more active while taking trades in the market, especially from bank sector. But for IT, there was some consolidation. We saw some activity in stocks like Wipro as well as Infosys, and these are the top picks based on their technical formation. Metals did well, especially Hindalco, which was around 605 levels, is now approaching to its all-time high levels, which was around 635, 636. So close to those levels, we may see some profit taking, but otherwise the formation is very strong. It is like trading above the pivot level of 590. So in case if there is any correction during the day, then close to 590 levels, we should look for taking some contra bets in the market. Ultratech Cement has also broken its previous high, and in fact it is trading in the blue sky territory since last several weeks. So it is crossing all its important levels on a week on week, month on month basis, and based on technical formation, now the next level could be around 10,600 for it. For Bajaj Auto as well as TVS Motors, the day was excellent. Hero Motors did well. Bajaj Auto closed above the mark of 6,700, which is again positive. PSU banks like Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank should do well based on their technical formation. And from the losers particular basket, Then we are seeing some weakness in stocks like PFC, REC, which have like uh, did extremely well in the past. Now they are correcting from their highs. So we may see furthermore time-based correction in PFC as well as REC. But stock like GAIL was down, and there we should look for adding long position at important support levels. So in case if it falls to 149 or 147, then there we should be a contra buyer in the stock. Broadly, we are of the view that we need to be little bit careful if we see the market is very close to 21,800. In case if there is any correction, then again buy on dips should be the strategy, and focus should be on BFSI as well as metals and mining stocks. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.